morning! So, ito na nga, on the way kami sa Clark, because
On the way to pick up first.
Oo, teka lang, pwede ba tapusin mo muna ako?
Okay.
On the way kami sa, yun na nga, tama siguro, pick up namin. Visit ka lang! Sisira mo naman yung video ko, hayop ka.
Tama ako, Mari.
No, so we're going to for our second honeymoon, nurse. Second honeymoon namin. So if we're going to purchase, ano ngayon? Claim our wedding gift. Wedding gift for a plane ticket to Coron. And then, shut up, I'm still talking. And then, the free accommodation in Buswanga Lounge.
This is why I smoke.
Where? Nice na nga dyan. So, on the way na kami to pick upin muna namin ang aming chaperone. May chaperone. My friends also will join. Our friends will join. So, excited to Coron. First time ko sa Coron. First time namin sa Buswanga. So, very, very excited. So, pag nagaganito, hindi ka pwedeng gagastos ka talaga. So, another vacation. Pag uwi, luhaan na naman. Pancit Canton and fried egg ang ulam namin for the 1 month.
Rice with butter.
Rice with butter.
And ketchup. You need some sauce.
Budget airline pag uwi. So anyway guys, update sa mga view doon. Ituturo ko kayo sa Coron. Sa Buswanga Lounge. First time ko doon si
Lodge.
Ha?
Buswanga Lodge.
Buswanga Lodge. Not lounge?
No, not lounge.
Lodge. Basta Buswanga. Basta stop it. Explain. Okay, bye-bye guys. See you. Bye.